Looking back at my career, I'm really proud of how far I've come and what I've achieved.
But I didn't get where I am all on my own.
I had a lot of help along the way.
Ever since I was little, I wanted to grow up to make things. Useful things. Futuristic, fantastic things. Luckily for me, my high school was part of the PRIME program. So I had the chance to discover that the future of making things was advanced manufacturing. That's how I found myself entering manufacturing competitions. That's how I found myself at my local community college, taking basic engineering courses. And now, I know how exciting the future could really be. I've signed up for more classes, this time online. I'm looking for jobs. I'm looking for more education, for events I can attend to learn even more. And now that I have a membership with SME, I've found what I'm looking for, and more.
My career really took off when I got my certification in lean and additive manufacturing. It's what got me my first job, operating the latest additive technology for a local shop. But learning is never over for a manufacturer. So I bring my manufacturing magazines to work to read in my downtime. From my tablet, I discuss the latest trends with colleagues from around the world between changeovers. I keep up with manufacturing because I know one day I want manufacturing to keep up with me.
By the time I left the shop for the boardroom, business was booming. And today, we've got explosive growth. Now, my peers are asking me to share what I've learned at conferences like Rapid Plus TCT and FabTech. Our parts are getting written up in the same magazines where I learned the techniques that let us make the parts in the first place. I can still remember how I programmed parts like those. Now it feels like I've come full circle.
Now that I'm in the corner office, I'm in a position to help the next generation of manufacturers achieve success and discover the joy of making things. That's why I tell the young people who come to my office the same thing my teacher told me all those years ago. Everyone's journey is unique, but the common denominator is SME.